Hey K babies, it's your girl Kaymeannn and I'm back at it with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing my hair, having my daughter with me. So if you guys hear anything in the background, it's gonna be her playing with her little toys. I don't really know what to call this hairstyle, but I guess it's gonna be a middle part, having my hair down curly like. So I'm grabbing my water bottle, spraying it all over on this side. As you can see, I done made a mistake and sprayed it all over her. I'm so sorry, my baby. But anyways, let's get back right into it. So I'm just grabbing my brush and combing out my hair. In my past few videos, I was pregnant with her and I finally had her in February. If you guys would like to see how my labor and delivery experience was, just comment down below and let me know. But 2 or 3 months after I had her, I started going through postpartum hair loss and I didn't even realize it. As a first time mom, all you really care about is just trying to be a perfect mom for your baby. And you don't really be focused like on your self needs, the self-care, not really like hygiene, but more of like on your appearances. And I didn't see that my edges were falling out. I had started using this product from Heads and Shoulders. I forgot what the name of the product called, but it's the new bottles that they came out with called Royal Earls. I'll put it down in the description below. But you just like spray the product on like, I guess like your affected area, and for me I put it on like the areas where I felt like I was losing hair at, and you just spray it on there and just massage your scalp and try to like get it to penetrate. And for a week straight, I just kept doing that same process morning and night, every day, morning and night. And a week later, I started seeing my edges coming back. And it's been about a month now and my edges finally look back to normal. I'll just make sure I put the name of the product in the description down below so y'all can see what I'm talking about. And it'll be for postpartum moms who need help with hair loss or something. I know I done did a whole lot of talking, so I'ma just let the video play and you guys just see how I do the rest of my hair. the final look. I know you see them curls popping, okay? Turn to the side for me one more time. Yo, I was trying to get her to look at the camera. Aren't she so pretty? Well, that is all for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below and tell me what else videos y'all would like for me to do. Bye!